See, the next one is, I did addition. Now next one is your, what is it? Next one is your statement sums. See, in statement sums, they have given us Arul, he bought 13 kilogram and 500 gram of brinjal. Now how much Arul brought? 13 kilograms and 500 gram of brinjal. Next, 27 kilogram and 750 gram of potato. And 15 kilogram and 500 gram of carrot. For what? For his hotel. Now, what he have asked you to do? Find the total weight of the vegetables. So, what all vegetables he has brought? Brinjal, potato, carrot. So, now what you have to do? Total weight. So, always in statement sums, I told you, already I have told you, statement sums means how will you write? You are not supposed to write only the values. You have to write with the statement. Now, what is the first one they have given? Weight. Weight of what? First, what is the first vegetable? Weight of brinjal. Now, immediately what you have to write here? Kilogram and gram. Now, what is the weight of brinjal? It is 13 kilo and 500 gram. Now, what is the next one? Weight of potato. Weight of potato. What is potato's weight? He has brought 27 and 750 gram. This one is 500, my dear. It is 500. Now, what is the next one? Weight of the carrot. Weight of carrot. Now, what is weight of carrot he has brought? It is 15 kilogram and 500 grams. Now, what you have to do here? See, always after reading the statement sums, you have to find out what it is. So, what is the question? So, what is the question they have given? Find the total weight. So, when they ask the total weight, immediately you have to put plus. What is 0 plus 0 plus 0? 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. What is 5 plus 7? 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Immediately 1 should be taken here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 8. 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now what you have to do? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So immediately here what should you do? Always never forget it is 56 kilogram and 750 gram. Now what is the answer you have to write? Total weight of, what is the question he has asked? Total weight of vegetables. That is a question they have given in here, sum. So immediately you have to write what is the total weight of vegetables? 56 kg and 750 gram. So this is how you have to do your statement sums. Is it clear now? Always you have to write with the statement and you have to write the heading kilogram, gram, milligram, all that you have to specify, write, and same whatever you have written it should be taken here, written here, and finally whatever the question you have to write the answer like this. Therefore, total weight of vegetables is 56 kg and 750 gram. So this is how you have to do your addition. The next one we will go on subtraction. See, these things already you know, subtraction, addition and all. But in milligram and grams you are going to do it. Is it clear now? What is subtraction sum? 78 gram. Just read the sum first, okay? 78 gram, 550 mg. You have to subtract the 78 gram, 550 mg from what? 175 gram and 250 mg. So you always read the question with what you have to subtract. They have given us 78 gram, 550 mg from this number. So immediately what you have to write? What is the values here given? Write here g mg. Now what is it you are given? 175. What is the gram here? 250. Now what is here? 78. Now what is here? mg? 550. Now immediately you have to put minus symbol. What is it here? 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. This 2 you can't minus it. Immediately you are borrowing it here. And this will become 12. And again when you are borrowing, this will become 16. 6. And this will become 0. Is it clear now? Now, what is 12 minus 5? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Now you have 14 minus 8, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now what is 6 minus? That is 16 minus 7 because you are borrowing it. 16 minus 7. Now what is it? It is 9 because you are borrowing it. So this will become 0. So now what you will write here? Immediately what you have to write? This gram you have to write here. This mg should be written here. So this is how you have to do your subtraction. See, this is your example sum given in your book. Now they have given try this. They have given try this. Try this means you have to try by yourself. How will you subtract? Try this. They are given subtract. Subtract. Now first one they are given 75 kg. Is it okay? I'll just read out. What is it? First one, 75 kg, 500 gram minus 55 kg, 100 gram. Now what you have to write immediately? You have to write kg, gram. Now 75 kg, 500 gram. Now with what you have to minus? 55 kg, 100 gram. Minus. So immediately 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 4. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is what? 2. So here you have to write kg. Here you have to write gram. Is it clear? 20 kg and 400 gram. Now what is the next sum they have given? 640 kg, 400 gram. What is it? 640 kg, 400 gram. 275 kg and 700 gram. 275 kg and 700 gram. So immediately, this is the first one, second sum. Immediately you have to write kg, kg. 640 kg and how many grams they have given? It is 400. Now what is the next one they have given? 275 with what you have, how many milligrams? It is 700. Now what you have to do here? Minus. Now what is it here? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. This one will become 14. And here this will become 9 and this will become 13 and this will become 5. Always when you do minus, always you first borrow it, everything you do, then finally you can do the calculation. Now this one, because you can't minus 4 with my 7. So immediately you are borrowing, that will become 14. So this 10 will become 9 because you are borrowing it here. So this is 4. This 4 will become 13. So what is 14 minus 7? 7. And what is 9 minus 5? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What is 13 minus 7? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now what is 5 minus 2? It is 3. Is it clear now? 364 kilogram and 700 gram. Is it clear now? Now third sum. What is the third sum they have given? 15 gram, 650 mg. So immediately you write G and mg here. So immediately you have to do it. This is the most important thing in your maths. Now what you have to do? 15 G, that is 15 gram, 650 mg. Now what is the next one you have to minus? 10 gram and 500 mg. Am I right or not? 10 gram and 500 mg. Now what you have to do here? Minus. What is 0 minus 0? 0. 5 minus 0? 5. 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 0, 5. So what you have to do? Just leave it off? No, you have to take this gram, then this mg should be written. So this is how you have to do your subtraction. One more sum I'll try for you. What is the last one? 84 grams. So gram, I'm writing it here. 750 mg. Immediately you are doing mg here. So what did I tell you? 84 gram. 750 mg. Now with what you have to minus? 64 gram. And what is the mg they have given? 800 mg. 800 mg. Minus, always put this. What is 0 minus 0? 0. 5 minus 0? 5. So this you are becoming 17. This you are borrowing it. Again this will become 7. I told you whenever you want to do subtraction, first thing you beg, borrow everything, you do it, then finally you can do the valuation. What is 17 minus 8? 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Now what is 13 minus 4? 12, 11, 10, 9. Now what is the 7? 7, it will become 7 because you are borrowing from here. So what is 7 minus 6? It is 1. The 7 will become same. So it is 719. 719. I'm sorry, it is not 700 because this is becoming 7. So it is just 19 gram and 950 mg. So this is becoming 7 because from here it is you are borrowing. So this 8 will become 7. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So you have to write 19 gram and 950 mg. 19 gram and 950 mg. Now next one in your book, they have given statement sums. Now I taught you addition. Statement addition I taught you, no? Same way your statement sums you will have your subtraction also. Now what did I tell you? Addition. That is now I taught you. What did I tell you? Statement, sorry, it's normal subtraction addition. Now the next one you are going to do it is your statement sums. Your statement sums. Now what is the statement sums you have given? In a shop, the weight of available tamarind. So what is tamarind? They are telling in a shop, the available tamarind is 275 kg and 750 gram. So there it is available in that shop. 275 kilogram and 750 gram is available there. Now what he did is he sold 87 kilogram and 800 gram. So he was having 275 kilos and 750 gram he was having in a shop. From that he has sold what he has sold? 87 kilo and 800 gram. Now what is the question they ask? Find the weight of the remaining tamarind. Immediately what you have to do? It has to be minus. Because this much they were having, from that they have taken it and he has sold. So the remaining means minus. So first one weight, how will you do your statement sum here? Weight of available tamarind, because this was available here. Available tamarind. Now how much it was there? Kilogram and mg. Kilogram and gram. I'm sorry, kilogram and gram. Now how many kilograms were there? 275, and gram how much was? 750 gram. Now next, what is the next thing they have given? He sold. So weight of tamarind he has sold. Now what he was having? Available tamarind. Now weight of tamarind he has sold. Weight of tamarind sold. Now how much is it? How much he has sold? 87. He has sold kilo, 87 kilo and 800 gram. Now what you have to do? I told you, whenever the question you have to read the statement sums properly. Weight of the available, this much he was having and this much he has sold it. So what is the question? You have to find the weight of remaining. Remaining means immediately minus. Is it clear? 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. I told you, you can't do. This will become 14. This will become 16 and this will become 1. Now what this will become? This will become 17. So what is 17 minus 8? 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Now what is 14 minus 7? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Now what is 16 minus 8? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Now what did I tell you? This one will come straight away 1 year. So what here? 187 kilos and 950 grams. So how will you write here? You have to write. Now what is the question they have given? Find the weight of the remaining tamarind. So immediately, therefore, weight of remaining tamarind. Is what? Is 187 kg and 950 gram. Is it clear now? This is how you have to do your statement sums for your subtraction and your addition. See the next one, we will go on to multiplication. Multiplication. Addition we have finished, subtraction we have finished. See, multiply 26 gram 350 mg by 18. Now you have tried gram here, mg here. Now 26, 350. Now 18. It has to be multiplied by 18. Now always what you have to do? 0 8s are 0, 5 8s are 40, here 4. What is 3 8s are? 24. 24 plus 4, 28. This 2 you are bringing it here. 6 plus 8, so 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 2, 50. Now 5 here. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 5, 21. Now, next this one, how will you do immediately? You are not supposed to write here. I think you know how to do your multiplication when 2-digit numbers are given. So immediately this has to be put like this wrong, or you can just leave it off. 0 1s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 6 1s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Now what you have to do? You have to add 0, 0, 8 5s are 13, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 6, 7, 2 plus 2, 4. Now what is the answer you will write? Immediately this gram and this mg you will write it here. So this is how you have to do your multiplication. How you have to do your multiplication is, you have to write whatever it is given, you have to write gram, mg, multiply it. Is it clear? Now in try this, it's given here, try this is given. See, in try this, 6 kilo and 300 grams, 6 kilos and 300 gram, kilogram, 6 kilo, 300 gram. Now with what you have to multiply? 3. Now 0 3s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. Now what you have to write here? This k should be, that is kg. K should be written here, kg, and this gram should be written here. Is it clear now? 18 kilos and 900 gram. Now what is the second sum they have given? 3 kg and 150 gram into 6. Now what is it? Kg again, kg and gram. 3 kilogram and 150 gram. You have to multiply with 6. Am I right or not? You have to multiply with 6. 0 6 are 0. 5 6 are 30. Immediately 3. So 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. What is 3 6 are? 18. So now what you have to write here? Now what you have to write here? Immediately 18 kilogram and 900 gram. Is it clear now? 18 kilo and 900 gram. Now third question. What is the third question? 9 gram and 500 mg. 500 mg you have to multiply with 12. You have to multiply with 12. Now immediately you have to write gram here, mg here. Now 9 with 500. You have to multiply with 12. Now how will you multiply? How will you multiply with 12? 0 2s are 2, 0 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, 1. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Now immediately what did I tell you? You are not supposed to write here. 0 1s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 5 1s are 5 and 9 1s are 9. 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 9, 11. So you have to write 114 grams. It should be 114 grams. Now what is the last sum they have given? 12 gram and 350 mg. So gram, mg. What is it? 12 gram, 350 mg. You have to multiply with 7. You have to multiply with 7. What is 0 7s are? 0. 5 7s are 35. 3. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 2. What is 2? 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 1 here. 1 sevens are 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now what you are supposed to write here? You have to write gram and here mg. So this is how you have to multiply your values. Is it clear now? I think you must have understood subtraction, addition and multiplication. Is it clear? These are all normal multiplication you are going to do it.